for active, passive, and resistive range of motion of the elbow and forearm. We're going to start with active range of motion. So for elbow flexion, Jimmy's just going to bend his elbow, and then for extension, he's going to straighten it out. Now for passive range of motion for elbow flexion is I just do it myself, so flexion, and then elbow extension. Now for resistive range of motion, my proximal hand is going to stabilize the elbow for both flexion and extension. So to resist elbow flexion, my distal hand is going to be on the anterior side of his wrist. So go ahead and push my hand, okay? Now for extension, all I did was, now you can keep it there, all I did was take my distal hand and go from the anterior side to the posterior side of the wrist. So go ahead and push my hand down. There you go. So that was resistive elbow extension. Now for forearm, okay? Having your arm, your elbow bent at 90 and your arm is neutral, you're going to rotate your forearm where your palm is down, that is pronation, and then rotating it is supination, so that was active. Now for me to do it passively, just relax, I would pronate and then supinate, okay? He is not helping me at all. Now to resist pronation and supination, your proximal hand is going to stabilize the elbow, okay, for both of them. To resist both of them, your distal hand is going to shake hands with them, okay? And so if I want to resist pronation, I'm going to try and pull them into pronation. Whereas supination, I'm going to go the opposite direction. So he's just going to resist me while I resist him. And that was active, passive, and resistive range of motion for the elbow and forearm.